Today we are going to identify and draw parallel and perpendicular lines. So first we're going to review what parallel and perpendicular lines are. So parallel lines are lines that will never touch. So here are two examples here. And perpendicular lines are lines that cross to create right angles. You can see that there. So today we're going to be taking a look at a road map, and we are going to identify the streets that are perpendicular to one another and also parallel. So we have Powers Road, Dillow Avenue, Burke Street, Northfield Way, and Parker Circle. So let's first take a look at the parallel lines. So remember, they're lines that will never touch. And looking at this map, I can see that Northfield Way and Dillow Ave are parallel because they will never intersect with one another. So I'm going to write that down here. We have Northfield Way and Dillow Ave. Oops. So we have those two sets of parallel lines, but then I also see one other set of parallel lines. So I see Powers Road and Burke Street. So those both are parallel to one another because they will never intersect. So I'm going to write that down here. So Powers and Burke. Next, we need to figure out the perpendicular lines. So we have to remember that there are lines that are going to be creating a right angle. So taking a look here, I see a right angle here, 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 and here. So knowing that information, I can figure out which lines intersect to create that perpendicular line. So I can see that Dillow Ave and Powers Road, when they intersect, you can see that all angles are in right angles. So let's write that one down. So Powers and Dillow. But then I also see, oh, I forgot these here. I also see right angles here as well. So with Northfield Way and Powers Road, I can see two right angles there. So Northfield and Powers. And then on the same side, we see perpendicular lines as well. So Burke Street and Dillow Ave. So Burke and Dillow, but then also Northfield and Burke. Now it's your turn to take a look at a road map on your independent practice and identify those parallel and perpendicular roads.